Alright, Internet people, today we have the Nothing Phone 2A. It is the milky version. It is slightly milky than the white version, so it has all the glyphs you want and also a lot of other features packed in the box. So let's unbox it to see what it has to offer. So this one has a zipper here. It's also a unique way to unbox a phone. So first score, I would say. So very slim box, as you can see. Some texture on the box. All right, let's dive deeper. All right, this is the basic introduction of the phone, and we're not gonna go deep into it. Put the phone aside, let's see what's underneath it. As expected, this is the cable that comes with the Nothing Phone. It is white and also it is transparent at both sides, as you can see. And also we have another thing here. It's the pin. I think the pin is a little bit special in my opinion because it has, I would say it's water inside, because I've seen other people saying that it has a little bubble inside, so it's like a water trapped inside, but I'm not sure if I see it here, but it's definitely also very special, as you can see. All right, so these are the things inside, all right, including the manual. Not gonna read that, but still, yeah. So that's what we have in the box other than the phone, yeah. So this is the phone, let's unbox it. Now here you have a typical glyph on the Nothing Phone, and this one has been simplified. It only has 3 lights at the back, but it's still very unique, as you can see. Okay, this is unboxing of a Nothing Phone 2A. We have known something about this phone. It is a good phone for mid-ranger, but we are going to test some of the features of this phone later, and we will tell you one thing about this phone later, and that going to maybe shock you or not, but definitely keep an eye on the review later.